Yes, good afternoon, Carmina, and all of the viewers. Magandang hapon po.
Secretary, how did it go down? Kailan niyo po nalaman na nasa kamay na po ng mga otoridad sa Indonesia itong si Sheila Go at si Cassandra Ong?
Well, kagabi lang po, no, I was informed by Chief Marbil yesterday that ito nga si Sheila Go and Cassandra Lee is already under the custody, no? Ito yung nangyari because of our PNP police attaché in Indonesia.
Okay, but have they been able to question these women about the whereabouts of Alice Go?
Well, I'm very sure, Carmina, they were questioned about this, and if ever there are operations in trying to find Alice Go, if she is in Indonesia.
Why do you say if she is in Indonesia? What is the possibility that she's no longer there?
Well, number one, what is important here is to get all records, whatever available there is in the Philippines. When did she really leave or left for abroad? And number two, in close coordination with our police attaché, with other embassies, within ASEAN, other countries, to know if indeed there is a record of Alice Go in their country. And from there to proceed with the investigation. In this case, ang nangyari rito, nakita nila itong dalawa, so they were questioned, they were detained. And I think they're now on their way to the Philippines.
They're now on their way to the Philippines. So by end of day, Alice Go's sister Sheila Go and Cassandra Lee Ong will be here in Manila. Can you confirm that, Secretary?
Well, that is what it was relayed to me, yes.
Okay, and why are they being, what is the legal basis for them to be sent back? Just so everything is clear, Secretary.
Well, I'm not so clear yet about these things, no? But it is what's relayed to me. This is in pursuance, of course, to effect the arrest of Alice Go.
Meron pa ho bang ibang detalye na ibinigay itong si Sheila Go at Cassandra Ong?
I'm sorry, Carmina, pero yun lang po ang ibinigay sa akin kagabi na talagang hinahanap nila si Alice Go. And of course, nakita nila yung mga kasama, so they were questioned, they were detained, and right now they're coming back to the Philippines.
And if the information that you received is that by end of day, Sheila Go and Cassandra Ong will be back here in Manila, where will they be detained? Ano pong mangyayari sa kanila?
Well, it will be a process, Carmina. No? It will be a process in accordance with law. But what is important here, ang pinakamahalaga rito talaga is mahanap si Alice Go.
And do you have reason to believe that it's only a matter of time before Alice Go is apprehended and brought back to the Philippines?
Well, probably lumiliit na ang mundo para sa kanila dahil nakita natin ang international cooperation dito. And of course, we've got embassies abroad, especially our police attaché. That's why I would like to congratulate our Philippine National Police Attaché who's in Indonesia for doing this thing.
Secretary Abalos, marami ho kasing nagtatanong paano nangyari ang nangyari. Dapat ho bang nagkaroon ng whole departure order, ng lookout bulletin? Was the arrest warrant from the Senate enough to have Alice Go apprehended on site? Ano ho ba dapat yung nangyari, Secretary?
Well, ganito, no? Yes, actually, Carmina, your question is really very relevant. Yung katanungan po ni Carmina sa mga nanonood sa atin, pinapaalam po nga yung chronology dahil yung pong nagsampa ng kaso kay Alice Go ay kami, ang DILG, no? At naglabas ng desisyon ang ombudsman dito, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, last week lang or 2 weeks ago, no? So kung may nilabas man ang desisyon ng ombudsman dito, siguro doon pa lang lalabas itong mga processes na ito, no? Kaya nga tignan muna natin ang chronology kung sakali mang umalis siya. Meron na bang coming from a body or an agency na talagang meron na ba siyang whole departure order or wala pa? Was this early July, etc. Siguro tignan po natin maigi yun. Kung meron ang Senado, anong petsa po nito, anong date nito, at kailan ba siya allegedly umalis sa bansa, no? But what is important right now, meron na po siyang ganyang order at hahanapin na po siya.
So, obviously, walang HDO at walang lookout bulletin.
No, I'm not. I would like to clarify here, Carmina. No, hindi ko talaga pa alam ang chronology rito kung ano talaga yung chronology kung kailan nagkaroon ng process, kailan siya umalis, etc. It's actually being looked into right now, no. But then yun lang ang sa akin. Tingnan nating maigi para lang makita natin nung umalis ba siya may hold departure order na. Meron na bang warrant of arrest? Meron na bang order coming from the Senate? O wala pa? No? These are the things na dapat talagang maliwanagan ng maigi. Yes.
But at the very least, we know that there is a warrant for her arrest. Correct, Secretary? So at the very least, meron talagang hindi nag-implement nito. Or merong tumingin sa kabila. Go ahead.
Yes, kung lumalabas na ganon, Carmina, heads should really roll. No? Kailangan may managot dito. Hindi po pwede yung ganyan. Dahil merong warrant tapos nakaalis, hindi po pwede yan. Dapat may managot dito.
Ano po ang susunod na hakbang ninyo, Secretary Abalos? I know you're very busy and you just really took our call. But anong susunod na hakbang pagka po dumating na dito si Sheila Go at si Cassandra Ong?
Well, number one, she will be turned over, I believe, to the NBI or the PNP. They will be investigated here. Pero one thing is that yung talagang paghahanap kay Alice Go, saan siya magtatago sa ibang ay talagang hahanapin siya through our different agencies abroad.